Okay, let's be real. If you've ever thought about making money online, you've probably considered both sugar dating and selling feet pics. But which one is truly worth your time? Are they even comparable? Let's break it down. First up, FeetFinder. This platform lets you upload feet pics or videos, set your prices, and cash in. No creepy DMs, no sugar dating drama, just straightforward business. And the best part, you get to do it on your own terms, anytime and anywhere. Now let's talk about sugar dating. This world involves building a relationship where financial perks are exchanged for companionship. This might include dinner dates, gifts, or allowances, but remember, often involves more personal interaction. And let's be clear, not always on your terms. Let's illustrate that on each side so you can see how involved sugar dating is compared to FeetFinder. While some sugar relationships might involve feet pics as a side hustle, if you're looking to make money without the emotional investment, FeetFinder is your best bet. Imagine this: no daily texting, no emotional stress, just post, sell, and profit. It's that simple. So if you're looking for an easy way to earn cash without the complexities of a sugar relationship, FeetFinder is the way to go. Sign up, snap some pics, and start earning. Believe it or not, your feet could fund your next vacation or shopping spree. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights on creative ways to make money online. Check out feetfinder.com and explore its potential for yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.